Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am going to solve the USAT General Science Expected Paper 2023, and this lecture is very helpful to you to gain good marks exams 2023. In this video I am going to solve the section of statistics. So let's start. The first MCQ is here. If all the value of have equal importance, then we have to assign certain values such as index number are called weighted index number. A option is correct. The next is, in fixed base method the base period should be normal, because if an abnormal year is chosen as the base, the price relatives of the current year calculated on its basis would give misleading conclusions. For example, a year in which war was its peak, say the year is 1965, is chosen as a base year. Thus the comparison of the price level of the subsequent years to the price of 1965 is bound to give misleading conclusions, as the price level in 1965 was abnormally high. So here must remember that in fixed base method the base period should be normal. A option is correct. The next is, variance of ky is always equal to k square variance of y, or you can also say that variance of ax is equal to a square variance of x. This is the property of variance. The next MCQ, the probability of an impossible event is always equal to 0, because an impossible event have not any element. For example, A have an empty set. This is called as always the 0. The next is, the binomial distribution has the following properties. The correct option is N and P. The formula of binomial distribution is probability of x is equal to NCX P raised to power x Q raised to power n minus x. Only n and p are parameters. So here in this MCQs, B option is correct. The next is, in normal distribution mean, median, mode are always equal. A option is correct. The next is, 1 minus alpha is always called as level of confidence, but alpha is called as level of significance. C option is correct. The next is, if 1 minus alpha is equal to 0.90, then find the value of alpha. The value alpha is 0.1, because 1 minus alpha is equal to 0.90, minus alpha is equal to 0.90 minus 1, minus alpha 0.90 minus 1 is equal to minus 0.1. By solving that, we'll get alpha is equal to 0.1. So here in this MCQs, A option is correct. The next MCQs is here. Increase the number of patients in the hospital due to heel stroke is an example of seasonal trend. A option is correct. The next is, correlation coefficient R is equal to the geometric mean of the two regression coefficients. B option is correct. Thanks for watching this video. Also share this lecture with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and you can also visit the playlist of this channel to learn more and more. Goodbye.